So in the given problem, the counter is a 4-bit Johnson counter, right? So it was initialized with the value of 0101. So after that, whenever it reaches a particular state 1011, the counter starts reinitialized to 000. Okay, so first we will start this problem with the initial value given. So initially the value is 0 1 0 1. So I'll give the names to this. Let us say this is Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. And Q3 value is equal to Q0 bar in earlier clock pulse value. This is the principle of Johnson counter. Okay, so first clock pulse. So when you give the first clock pulse, this Q3 will move to here, Q2 will move to here, Q1 will move to here, and here the value is nothing but Q3 is nothing but Q0 bar. So this one is there now, complement of that will be 0. So this is after the first clock pulse. So you go until you will get the value 1011, because after you will get 1011, it will be reinitialized to all zeros. So second clock pulse, so this is 0 0 1, so 0 complement is 1, and the third clock pulse 1 0 0, 1 complement is 0, fourth clock pulse 0 1 0, here is 0 complement is 1, and fifth clock pulse 1 0 1, this is 1, sixth clock pulse 1 1 0 0, seventh clock pulse 0 1 1 1. Now you see here, this is a 1011. So once it will reach 1011, what is telling? The counter reinitialized to 0. So that means in the next clock pulse, it will become zeros, all zeros. Until that it will not reinitialize. Once it will reach 1011, it will reinitialized. Then after that again it will start as usual. So ninth clock pulse 0 0 0, this is 1. 10th clock pulse 1 0 0 1. 11th clock pulse 1 1 0 1. 12th clock pulse, this is 1 1 1 1. Then after that 13th clock pulse, this is 1 1 1, this is 0. So what is telling? When the state reaches to 0001, again the counter is reinitialized back to 0101. So 14th clock pulse, this is 0 1 1. Then 15th clock pulse, this is 0 0 1, and the complement is 0. Now you see, this is the state 0001. So once it will reach 0001, the counter is reinitialized back to 0101. So in the next clock pulse, so this will become 0101, which is the initial value. You see here, this is the initial value. So how many clock pulses? The total clock pulses at the counter value is nothing but the number of clock pulses required to bring it to the initial value. So how many? Total number of clock pulses are 16 clock pulses.